Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change your ribbon settings on your Microsoft Excel product. So if you want to make it hidden all the time or always show the tabs and commands, this tutorial will be for you. So it's going to be a pretty straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So you're going to start by left clicking on the little upward facing arrow right next to the minimize button on the far right side of your Microsoft Excel program. So again, right where this upward facing arrow is, you want to left click on it. If you want to auto hide the ribbon, select the first option here to hide the ribbon. Click at the top of the application to show it. And if you want to show it all the time, you just show tabs and commands. So if I left click on auto hide ribbon, it should get rid of that altogether. And if you wanted to re-enable it, you could just go ahead and left click on this little downward facing arrow again, and then you could show tabs and commands. You also notice that when we had it in the auto hidden mode, if you wanted to go change any of the Excel settings, you actually have to go up again to the top and then left click on these three dotted icons in order to expand everything as well. So I just want to put that out there. There's a few different ways you can customize it around. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.